YouTube channel. Today we'll be featuring these two houses which is adjacent to each other, located in Mandaue City, Cebu, with a lot area of 500 square meters, and each of the house has a floor area of 200 and approximately 400 square meters. By the way, I am Christine Emily Pantaleon, your licensed real estate broker and property host buddy for today. This property is very close to malls, universities, and hospitals. And by the way, there will be this coming December, the newest Ayala Mall in Cebu IT Park is bound to open. So if you love malling, so this property is very ideal for you. Tara, let's go around and explore this property. So as you can see, this is the 7-car garage. 2 over there, another 2 here, and another 2 in this area. And this area can also house a small car. So first we'll look into this main house, and the main house has 5 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bathrooms. For your overview, on the second floor there are 3 rooms with a common toilet and bathroom, and on the ground floor is the master bedroom with its ensuite toilet and bathroom, and another room with a common toilet and bathroom for the guests. So let's go inside. Upon entering this property, we can notice that we have a solid wood Nara sliding door. And in this area is where the entertainment is located. And here will be the dining area. And let's go to the kitchen area. This is the kitchen area where they prepare delicious and sumptuous food. And here is the laundry area. The laundry area with a toilet and bathroom. Let's go inside the house again. By the way guys, before I forget, there is also another toilet and bathroom here for the guests. Oh, as you can notice that all of the doors that they are using are solid narrow wood. And this sliding door leads to the guest room. The guest room is around, I think 6 square meter or 6 to 8 square meter big, and it also has an air condition. So here is the master bedroom with ensuite toilet and bathroom. The master bedroom is quite big that it can accommodate a king-size bed. And they also have a built-in closet, and this is their toilet and bathroom. Over here. So let's now go to the second floor and where the other 3 rooms are located. So we are now in the second floor, and we have 3 rooms here and 1 common toilet and bathroom. Let's now go first to bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 is estimated around 6 square meters, and bedroom number 2 here is also estimated around 6 to 7 square meters. And let's go to bedroom number 3, and it's also close to the toilet and bathroom. This is bedroom number 3, and the same with the other bedrooms, it's also estimated around 6 to 8 square meters wide. The same with the other bedroom, we also have a built-in closet here. This is the common toilet and bathroom, and we have another door which leads to the balcony. So this is the balcony area, and mind you guys, it's quite airy and breezy here because we are facing the east. The gate faces the east is facing, and the other one here is facing the northeast. So mind you guys, if it's facing the east or west, it's quite airy and breezy. This is the adjacent house, which is very close to the main house, and at the moment it is an income generating property because their owners are renting it out. We can go inside for privacy purposes, but mind you guys, this is very ideal if you want a business just beside your property. So there you go. We hope that you like our property tour, and if you like, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. I am your property host for today, Christine Emily Pantaleon, your licensed real estate broker. Please don't forget to call us at 0917-799-9429 or 0933-8655-119 or email us at myfuturehome101@gmail.com. Thank you. See you soon.